Now, besides the dua of istikhara, we can also make some other du'as to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what is good for us. Among these du'as is the dua of Musa alayhi salam, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khairin faqir. That, oh my Lord, I am in desperate need of anything good that you send down to me. And this is a very comprehensive dua, which includes the goodness of this world, goodness of the hereafter. It includes goodness in terms of money, in terms of family, in terms of security, in terms of, your home, everything. So make this dua for yourself. Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khairin faqir. Another dua we can make, Allahumma astahdika li arshadi amri wa a'udhu bika min sharri nafsi. That, oh Allah, I ask you to guide me to the most correct of my affair, and I seek refuge in you from the evil of my soul. Subhanallah. The Prophet ﷺ would teach this dua. So we should make this dua also when we are confused about a matter, when we don't know what to do, when we are indecisive. That, Ya Allah, guide me to the most correct of my affair. What's the best option for me? Guide me to that. Allahumma astahdika li arshadi amri. We should also ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us to what is good for us. We learn, Aisha radiallahu anha said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught her this dua, which is, Allahumma inni as'aluka min al-khayri kulli. Oh Allah, I ask you for all that is good. And I ask you for all types of goodness, everything good for me. Ajilihi wa ajili. That which can come quickly and that which comes later, meaning good of this world, good of the hereafter. Ma alimtu minhu wa ma lam a'lam. The good that I know and also the good that I don't know. Because sometimes you believe something is good for you, so you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant it to you. What if there is something so good for you, excellent for you, and you don't even know that it's out there? You don't even know that it's good for you. If you don't know, you're not going to pray for it. So in this dua, you're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you what is good for you, whether you know about it or you don't know about it. Allahumma inni as'aluka min khayri ma sa'alaka abduka wa nabiyyuka Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Oh Allah, I ask you for everything good that your worshipper and your prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam asked you for. Anything good he prayed for, oh Allah, I pray for the same good for myself. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا عَاذَ مِنْهُ عَبْدُكَ وَنَبِيُّكَ. And oh Allah, I ask you to protect me from everything evil that the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked you to protect him from. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-jannah. Oh Allah, I ask you for paradise. وَمَا قَرَّبَ إِلَيْهَا مِنْ قَوْلٍ أَوْ عَمَلٍ. And whatever that can bring me close to it in terms of word or in terms of action. Meaning any word, any action that can draw me close to paradise, Ya Allah, grant me that. وَأَسْأَلُكَ أَن تَجْعَلَ كُلَّ قَضَاءٍ تَقْضِيهِ لِي خَيْرًا. And I ask you that you make every decree that you have decreed for me good. Anything that you have decreed for me, Ya Allah, make it good for me. This is such an excellent dua. And you see, the Prophet ﷺ taught this dua to Aisha radiallahu anha, someone he loved. So we should also make this dua for ourselves.